Hello friends, in this short video I'm going to show you a ConvertCase string method we have in Laravel version 10.21. So here I have created a project and here is the VS Code. Right now we just return the view. Okay, now let's take a look at this new method we have. So I'm going to create a variable and I'm going to say $upper here, which is going to be equal with str, and inside here we are going to call the convert case method. So convert case. Right now I'm going to import first the str from the illuminate support str here, and let's take a look to the convert case. Here we can see accepting a string and an integer, which is the MB case mode. So let's add a string here, double quotes, the framework that brought PHP to life, and then comma and integer, which is the mode MB case fault. So I'm going to say MB case upper here because we say $upper, and let's return that string now. So $upper here. If I save and see refresh, as you can see now, if I zoom it, we have here the string in the uppercase. Also we can change that lowercase, for example. So instead of MB case upper we can say MB case lower, and it's going to lowercase this string, as you can see. Also we have the MB case title, which is going to transform this to title case, as you can see. Okay, that's it about this video. Now if you like such a video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share with your friends this video, and see you in the next one. All the best.